A brand new listing just hit the market. We wanted to talk to you a little bit about that, let you know what you might be looking at as far as a mortgage and a mortgage payment. So we brought in our local mortgage expert, Brad C. with Kentuckiana Mortgage Group. Brad, thanks again for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Mike.
Hey, I want to start by showing you and those watching our newest listing in Clarksville. All right, Brad. So here's the front of the house. It's 312 West Lincoln Avenue in Clarksville. Folks redid the entire outside. You've got a two-story home, repainted the outside. Let me just show you a few of the pictures of the interior. So every inch of this has been painted, trim, new flooring. This is the lower level. So they were able to restore this old bar area here. This is upstairs in the kitchen. New cabinets, new flooring, new paint. They put a set of new appliances in there as well that will stay at no additional cost. So that's factored into the price. Bathrooms have been, there's two full bathrooms, one on the upper level, one on the lower level. Again, those have all been completely remodeled and redone. I'll just kind of skim through here. You've got 3 bedrooms, brand new carpet, brand new doors all throughout. So it's all new. And this one just went live, 179.9. So 3 bedroom, 2 bath, all remodeled, new roof, new AC, new furnace, new hot water heater, new set of appliances. Brad, at 179.9 and looking at the pictures of this house, what kinds of loans would this property qualify for?
So obviously, because of the location, the only one we can really throw out is rural housing, because strictly location based. So really, with this house being in the shape that it's in and being pretty much new throughout, conventional FHA and VA for the veterans out there all of those would work.
Okay, so the 3 main mortgage types, they're all in play here. Okay,
absolutely.
So we've got the list price 179.9, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, a little over 1,400 square feet. Can you talk us through what mortgage payments would be at for today's rates?
Yeah, so I'll just give you a general idea because, how much you put down and credit score and all that's going to impact rate and monthly payment and all those things. So, but I can give you just a general idea. And so let's just start with, a mid 700 credit score, 5% down, conventional would be a pretty good scenario for this house based on the current property taxes. And then I used $100 a month for insurance because new windows, like all this new stuff in there will probably, or it should greatly reduce the homeowner's insurance cost. Not an insurance agent, but just, from my general working knowledge. And I think you're about 1,160 to 1,170 a month on that 5% down conventional with a mid 700 credit score.
Okay, so a couple things here. Let me pause on that. One, don't want to put Brad at any risk here. These numbers are general numbers based on the price and those other factors that he told you. Your specific payment, your rate, your insurance may change. We can help you figure that out. But Brad, you said 5% conventional, today's rates, good credit score. You're under $1,100, and that's with your taxes, property taxes, and insurance included.
Just under $1,200.
Just under $1,200.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So that's conventional. What about for the other loan types?
Yeah. So if we go to like FHA, a mid 600 credit score, FHA, 3.5% down on the down payment, you're going to be right at $1,200 or maybe just a hair over. So I would say about $30 to $40 a month difference between those two. Again, depending on credit score and some other factors, but yeah. So
that's a FHA. You're going to have a little bit less down payment there than you would have with the conventional. So you're keeping more money in your pocket. You're going to pay a little bit more on that monthly payment.
Correct. Okay. And
Okay.
then just to throw an extra number out here, back to the conventional, just as far as like 20% down, you'd be close to like $950 a month on that. And then in the same breath, when we're looking at, the veterans out there, if a veteran was to buy this and use their VA loan with no down payment, probably looking right around 1,100 flat, I would say, for that.
Okay. All right. And VA, no down payment. They got the funding fee potentially there. But again, you talked about the conventional. If you've got the extra money to put down, that's certainly going to lower your payment. At 20% down, you'd be under $1,000 a month. Brad, any other thoughts on the loans there?
No, and if somebody's interested and want to run some quick numbers, all I need is, a 20 to 30 point range on credit score and then how much they're putting down. And I can run some, pretty quick numbers. Thanks for you providing me all the information to me. The more information I have, the more accurate I can be.
Okay. So you can get them kind of the payment and approximate for them specifically very quickly.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, within $20 to $25 a month, I can usually get pretty accurate.
Okay. And say they wanted to take that next step. They like what they hear on the payment. Obviously, they like the house. How easy is it to move forward with getting pre-approved and moving forward on that loan?
Yeah, pretty simple. Got an online questionnaire set up. Kind of gives me all the information I need, where you work, how much you make, name, birthday, that kind of thing. It's www.bradc.com. They can go on there, create a secure account, fill out that questionnaire. Takes me about 10 minutes.
Okay. 10 minutes. Easy peasy. Well, Brad, thank you for joining us today. We're going to roll out this new listing to the market. Guys, if you want to see it, email me 812living@gmail.com, 812living@gmail.com. We can get you more information on the house, and we can certainly connect you with Brad C. at Kentuckiana Mortgage Group. Brad, thanks again for your time.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, Mike.